y'all? It's your girl AnJaemonea, and today we are working with ISEE Hair. I'm so excited to work with this company because their hair is absolutely bomb, okay? So today we're working with this pre-cut, pre-plucked, glueless, ready-to-wear unit, and it's absolutely phenomenal. Like literally, you thought it was melted. You thought it was melted, and it's literally not, okay? So we can take this girl off and take her on. So let's get right into the video. So what's up, y'all? It's your girl AnJaemonea. I'm sure I've already done that intro, but can you ever get too much of that? Okay guys, so today we are working with ISEE Hair, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I absolutely love ISEE Hair. Like for real, prior to me working with them as a brand ambassador, I actually use their hair a lot on my clients. So today's gonna be a really easy video because this lace comes pre-cut. It also comes pre-plucked. So literally y'all about to see me go from, you know, this little situation to what you actually want for Christmas, which is me. What about? So I'm gonna be using the HD stocking cap that they sent me. And you guys know, if you haven't watched my last video, you should go watch my last video because I explained to you guys why HD stocking caps are so lit. I'm going to go ahead and never do too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Got To Be glue to just slick the front of my edges back. So I'm literally just taking some additional makeup that I have left on my makeup brush and putting this on top of the stocking cap. So this install is like literally perfect. I love a good ready-to-wear unit because, you know, those moments in life when you just can't really figure things out, being able to slick your hair back and throw a wig on is like the best gift you can give to yourself. So the construction of this wig is actually really nice. It doesn't have the adjustable strap that comes at the bottom. It's more so at the top, so it's really gonna hug your head the way it is supposed to. So I just put the wig on. I did over bleach the knots a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do to fix that, but the wig looks amazing right out the bag. I'm gonna be using High Beam Intense. You guys have to cop this in my Amazon store. I have everything that you need for your wig must-haves, and this is one of them because we run into these issues quite often. So it's really simple. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that your part is straight. Sometimes it's hard to tell because you have like the additional white spots, but if you continue to go like up your nose and you know it's in the middle of your head, you should be fine. And I like to use a comb that's a little thicker, so you kind of have some rat tail combs that are really thin. If you use a rat tail comb that's too thin, your part is going to be very skinny and a little unnatural, so you might have to add some more makeup to make it look bigger. But using a rat tail comb that's a little thicker is like the perfect size part. And then you want to be very careful with this and as light-handed as you can, because once it's on there, it's on there. And I also like to avoid the front of my head as much as I can, because you don't want this obvious like black line. You want this to look radiant like that, you know? So you guys see like the back of it kind of got caught, but I'm going to use some makeup to fix that, and then I'm going to come a little closer to the front but not too far. Just enough. Okay, so for the front, you can kind of still see that it has a little bit of blonde. So I'm going to use my edge brush and spray it on my edge brush so that I can like comb it in there, because you don't want to use too much. And I'm going to use more so the sides and literally just comb it gradually, because using the force of the spray sometimes it just puts too much product, and we don't want too much product. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is use some foundation to tint my lace color. Even though it's HD lace, sometimes it has a white cast or just like a cast that you can eliminate by just using a little bit of makeup. So that's just what I'm gonna do right now. And that's crazy because it literally blends so perfectly. As you guys can see, this looks like really good. I haven't done anything but put this wig on my head and perfect my part. Like, I can just lift it up and put it right back down. And guys, what I do to define my curls, because I lost a little bit of my curls while I was washing it, I'm gonna bring it right back to life using Nairobi, the iconic Nairobi must have. And also going to be using Eco Styler gel. These two go hand in hand because the Nairobi defines the curl and the gel holds the curl. Oh, you guys can see how it's like night and day. This side literally just has the Nairobi. I haven't even used the gel yet, and then this is just it poofy. And when it dries, it's gonna dry like super duper defined. And so this is what the hair looks like after just using some Nairobi. And I'm gonna come in using just a little bit of Eco Styler gel. If you want to achieve the wet look, Eco Styler gel is your best friend, because Nairobi defines the curl, but as it gets bigger, it grows with it. Eco Styler gel holds the hair down so that you still have the wet look that you're going for. So I'm only gonna use a little bit of it, not too much of the product, because you don't want it to be too heavy. Oh, the front of this wig is like a little too long. I don't know if you guys can tell. So I'm gonna just cut this and even it out just a little bit, taking off just a bit. If you ever cut your curly wigs, try not to do too much because it bounces back, and you don't want to cut too much and then it's like too short. But yeah, see, it's cuter. Okay guys, so this is the finished look and it is eating, okay? I absolutely love this Kim K Met Gala look. It's so soft, so beautiful, and I absolutely love working with this company. This is definitely AnJaemonea approved, so if you haven't clicked the link in the description to get this wig, I'm not too sure what's going on with you, because this is just it. Also guys, don't forget to click the link in the description below for my Amazon link, because I have literally all the products that I use in this video and all the products that you need for a bomb wig install. I love you that much that I took the time out my day to create an Amazon link for you. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.